S&P futures are up 1.25 handles this morning. Crude oil is trading down 0.3% after being up big last night. Natty gas is down 1.5%. There's some supply disruption possibilities in the Gulf of Mexico due to the hurricane. Gold has got a bid this morning, up 0.9%. Dr. Copper got a bid as well, up 0.7, but it's trading right off its year lows. Coffee is up 0.4%, 150. It's at that resistance level here. Sugar is down 1.9%. Sorry. Cotton is up 0.4%. Moving along to European equities. European equities are green, with the exception being London. London down 0.3%, and Germany's up 0.4%. Japan last night finished up 0.25%. The Nikkei 225. The Shanghai Composite in China finished up 0.6%. So it looks like Asia did okay. World bond market. World bond market looks to be in the green, with the exception being Portugal, Greece, Australia, New Zealand, and South Korea. Interesting note from Japan. Japan is conducting a review of its monetary policy, which is due out sometime around September 20th. They're refusing to buy long-dated JGBs, and it's causing a steepening of the curve. JGBs have sold off on the back end pretty significantly here. Anyway, why is this important? It's important because the curve has been very flat for a very long time, and they're now starting to talk about, bringing the yield curve back, which would help financial institutions that have a net interest margin. So it should be pretty interesting for Japanese bank stocks. Anyway, moving along. Let's take a look at the dollar right now and see how the dollar is doing. And survey says the dollar is not coming up. I don't know why, but let's try another. There we go. So it's a little bit of dollar weakness out this morning, which could be why the gold contract is actually got a bid. A little bit of the explanation, at least, anyway. Let's take a look at economics. On the economic front, we have some news coming out at 10 o'clock. ISM, non-manufacturing composite, Investor Business Daily, economic optimism, the labor market conditions report, all due out today. And let's take a look at top news. Top news out this morning. Emerging markets gain with Rand, Aussie, and Hunt for yields. Well, welcome back. We're in September. I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. And it seems like the market is looking towards emerging markets again to give a little extra profit. Bond trading was a very profitable niche over the summer, but it seems that bond traders may be in a little bit of a tizzy about where their profit's going to come from for the final quarter. So Clinton and Trump zeroing on states that will decide the election. It's pretty obvious. Oil market commentary. So this morning, all the news out on oil has been about Russia and OPEC coming to a production freeze agreement, and you can tell that the oil market is not very impressed. It's down. It actually was up 2% on the news, and it's down. So we'll see how this plays out, but it can't be it can't be good that if on this type of news that things are actually falling apart from a price perspective. But we shall see. So with that, we're excited for the last, 4 months of this year, the last 120 days. It'll be over in a flash. So I hope you tune in here live every day, get an update on the market and what's going on, and comment and get involved. And check us out on Outsized Returns, at Outsized Returns on Twitter, like our Facebook page. We hope to have you participate in our conversation. Let me know what it is you want me to cover on a morning basis. I'm happy to dig in. Anyway, good luck, and let's make some money today. Bye now.